Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0762, pertains to the shift solenoid valve C being stuck in the on position. In an automatic transmission, AT, the shift solenoid is a crucial component that controls fluid flow, enabling the transmission to shift gears smoothly. When the shift solenoid valve C is malfunctioning, it can lead to various transmission issues, such as erratic shifting or slipping. The specific location of this solenoid is typically within the transmission assembly, and it is responsible for actuating the clutch during shifts. Understanding the implications of a stuck solenoid is essential, as it can significantly affect vehicle performance and drivability. The troubleshooting process begins with identifying any confirmed or pending DTCs, ensuring that proper diagnostic procedures are followed based on the manufacturer's guidelines. DTC P0762 indicates a malfunction where the shift solenoid valve C is stuck in the on position, failing to provide the necessary control for smooth gear shifting. The shift solenoid valve is responsible for regulating transmission fluid flow, which is essential for actuating the clutches when shifting gears. You can find this solenoid typically located inside the transmission assembly, along with other components that manage transmission operation. A malfunction in this solenoid can lead to improper engagement of gears, resulting in poor vehicle performance. This can manifest itself as slipping, delayed shifts, or even complete failure to shift. Before proceeding with repairs, it's crucial to understand the role of this solenoid within the overall automatic transmission system. When evaluating the potential causes of DTC P0762, the first aspect to investigate is the automatic transmission fluid ATF level. A low ATF level can lead to insufficient fluid pressure, causing the shift solenoid valve C to malfunction. Additionally, a damaged solenoid itself may not operate correctly, leading to the solenoid being stuck in the on position. Another critical factor to consider is the possibility of contamination caused by excessive clutch material or metal debris. This contamination can affect the operation of various hydraulic components, including solenoids, potentially leading to erratic transmission behavior. Identifying these causes is essential to effectively address the root of the problem and ensure a successful repair. The symptoms associated with DTC P0762 can greatly impact the overall drivability of the Honda Pilot. Erratic shifting is one of the primary indicators that the transmission is not functioning as intended, which may result from the stuck shift solenoid valve C. Drivers may also experience delayed engagement when shifting between gears, leading to a frustration during operation. Furthermore, transmission slipping can occur when the solenoid fails, as it prevents the required clutches from properly engaging. All of these symptoms contribute to a declining driving experience, prompting the need for immediate diagnostic and repair actions. Recognizing these symptoms early on can help prevent further damage to the transmission system. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0762 involves warming up the engine to its normal operating temperature, indicated when the radiator fan engages. After achieving this temperature, you need to check the automatic transmission fluid ATF level to confirm it is filled correctly. A low ATF level can lead to complications in shifting and may result in the solenoid malfunctioning. Following the level check, drain the ATF through the strainer to inspect it for any metal debris or excessive clutch material. If metal debris is found in the strainer, this indicates that the transmission may need to be replaced. Alternatively, if no contaminants are found, you should replace the ATF and proceed to the next step. This step ensures that fluid quality and volume are not contributing factors to the issue. For the second troubleshooting step, Begin by turning the vehicle to the on position, ensuring that the onboard diagnostic system is active. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC from the vehicle's memory. Clearing the DTC allows you to conduct further testing without existing trouble codes impacting your readings. After clearing the DTC, start the engine, and while pressing the brake pedal, shift the transmission into drive. D. It's critical to check the input shaft, main shaft speed, monitoring its performance. Specifically, the speed should remain steady when the AT shift solenoid valve B is off, and it should read 0 RPM when the valve is on. If these conditions are met, the failure appears to be duplicated, leading you to the next troubleshooting step. If not, consider the possibility of an intermittent failure, which may not signify any immediate issues. The third step involves testing the shift solenoid valve C using the HDS. Select the solenoid valve from the miscellaneous test menu and initiate the test to determine if it operates correctly. A clicking sound should be audible if the solenoid is functioning as intended. If you hear such a sound, it indicates that the solenoid is likely in good condition. However, if the clicking sound is absent, the solenoid may be malfunctioning and should be replaced. Additionally, if the solenoid is determined to be operational, further issues may lie with the first gear one-way clutch. In this case, you may need to replace the countershaft first gear or even the entire transmission. Should you proceed with replacing the countershaft, ensure you clean out any debris or contaminated fluid from the internal components. This comprehensive step confirms the solenoid's status while directing you toward any necessary repairs. After conducting all repairs related to DTC P0762, it's crucial to verify that the solutions implemented were effective. Start by ensuring that the transmission is operating smoothly and shifts as intended. A test drive is essential to confirm that the vehicle responds correctly to throttle inputs and that gear changes occur without delay or slipping. During the drive, listen for any unusual sounds and monitor the behavior of the transmission under various driving conditions. Additionally, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to confirm that the DTC has been successfully cleared. If the code returns, further diagnostics may be needed to pinpoint underlying issues. This verification step reinforces the reliability and effectiveness of the repairs performed, ensuring the vehicle is returned to optimal condition. Preventive maintenance is crucial in maintaining the health of the automatic transmission and avoiding DTC P0762 reoccurrence. Regular checks of the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, levels should be established, ideally at least once every oil change or every 10,000 miles. It's imperative to adhere to the manufacturer's recommended fluid change intervals to ensure the transmission operates with clean fluid, free of contaminants. Pay close attention to the shifting performance during everyday driving and report any erratic behavior immediately. Early detection of transmission issues can help prevent costly repairs down the line. Additionally, keeping the transmission filter clean and replacing it when necessary will contribute to the long-term functionality of the transmission system. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTC P0762, which refers to the shift solenoid valve C being stuck on, is vital for effective vehicle maintenance. The troubleshooting process involves a thorough examination of symptoms and potential causes, emphasizing the importance of precise diagnostic steps. Each troubleshooting step is designed to isolate the issue efficiently, leading to informed repair decisions. Additionally, adopting preventive maintenance practices, such as regular ATF checks and timely fluid changes, can help ensure the longevity of the transmission. Awareness of the transmission's performance and any symptoms that may arise can lead to faster resolutions and a better driving experience. By embracing these practices, the risk of encountering DTC P0762 can be significantly minimized. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!